Shut up, mailbox. My dad's not mad. Well, yet that we know of. Okay, let me go get my hex things. Oh, come on. Okay. Guys, this is even going to be easier than I thought. Because this thing is already doing a lot of what I had intended to do. I'm just removing the center part of the canopy because I don't want that part. But it turns out that my design overlaps with the original. This is a broken canopy with the original Canopy's design. It overlaps enough to where my modifications are going to be not hard to implement. Hey, if things are easier and quicker as a result of dumb luck, you won't see me complaining. Because I've had enough bad luck. What's up, Escapade? I am building a portable, collapsible, pop-up canopy mechanic tent for my driveway to work on vehicles year-round in the lap of luxury and comfort, complete with heating and air conditioning. I've been working on cars for too long, and the number one problem I run into is discomfort. It's outdoors. It's not comfortable. It's either freezing or too hot, or a million mosquitoes, or high winds and crap blown in my eyes, or bees. I didn't copy this design at all. I created a completely original design. It's going to be so nice to have a cozy, heated air conditioning place to do all my streaming of my mechanic work. I'll be able to fix cars all I want, whether it's hot or cold, nice or nasty. I'll be in complete comfort, and I think I'll even just wear shorts and a thermal, you know, my normal streaming clothes. I'll be able to wear that year round. On account of of just walking from the house to the heated little workshop area. Huh. I didn't know there was more to undo. Okay. Bring it. Yeah, I'm tired of freezing my butt off or sweating my butt off. Every time I want to work on my car, it's like, yeah, I like working on a car, but I want to be comfortable when I work. And I wanted a garage to work in so bad so I can just work comfortably. And that hasn't been an option. With the addition of this special thing to my driveway, I'm going to be able to kick some butt. as far as working year-round, regardless of the weather, I'm going to be so much more efficient. And I won't even clean up every time. A lot of times I'll just leave all my tools outside because they're not just strewn across the driveway anymore. Now they're inside pretty much a little private shed tent right in the driveway. But the town won't see it as a shed because it's on wheels and it's small and it's collapsible and it's mobile, and I can just roll it into the garage if anybody ever complained. But as long as people don't complain, I can just leave it out there. So it will be a truly awesome way to kind of mess with the town, kind of bending every rule. You're not allowed to build a shed. You're not allowed to build a tent. But this isn't a tent. It's a cart shed tent thing on wheels. It falls outside of the law because it's not a permanent structure. What would you call it? A wagon on wheels? I mean, it doesn't fit with any traditional definition, so it's the ideal workaround when you have all these laws preventing you from just setting up a decent workplace for yourself in your driveway to fix your car. I can't believe I found a loophole. I don't need a permit, I don't need anything, because this thing is just a rolling thing. It's not definable, it has no name. It's not even a matter of working hard or smart. Well, maybe it is. The one thing that's going to make this a work less hard type of thing is that I don't have to set up and take down all my tools every time I work. Like, that takes up a lot of time. Alright, so I just removed the center grouping of stuff. I removed this whole thing out of the middle. Whoa. Huh. I can actually use this. I can already see that it's perfect for some aspects of my design. Goodness, this thing's really going to help me a lot. Okay. I had no idea we'd be this far along this quickly. This thing just made it trivial. Oh. It's a nice workout tool. Nice and lightweight. My headset fell off. This looks crazy on the stream, doesn't it? Okay, so this is perfect. Except I don't like how it's constrained to be a square shape. I want it longer with or like going across toward my right, I want it to go longer. So how do I decouple it to where it's not constrained to being a square? I want it to be rectangular. If I go out, why is it getting longer? This is so confusing. The physics behind it. This is actually a very complex device. Yeah, it'll be big enough. I did all the measurements already. I want it 6 feet wide by 5 feet long. This gets wide too fast. Like, that's long enough, but I want it way wider. I got an idea. Each one of these is about 28 inches long. 28 and 28 is 56 inches. 12, 24, 36, 48, 58, 59, 60. Five feet. It needs to be longer than that. I wanted 6 feet. Got it. I just got to take off one of the x's. See, each side has 3 x's. If I take off one x from one side, I reduce the ratio to 3 to 2. 3 wide and 2 long. And that's about what I wanted. And then we can extend it all the way out. One's going to have everything removed. Except for one big V. Which we can create using several smaller V's, really. Just kind of strapped together. Or bolted together. Yeah. These create great building blocks. They're like Legos. That'd be fine. One big V across the side facing the car. Because it can't be in my way. The rest is golden. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Remove 1x. How do I do that, though? It's a rivet. You know, I think you have to drill it out. Okay. Drill out. This guy. That'll be no problem. Okay. We're getting it, boys. Come get some. Actually, I'm going to mark with marker each one I need to drill out. Okay, removing that one. And that one. Yeah. That's it, those two, and then unscrew that. And then I can bolt these back onto here. Okay. You heard the man. Get to work. We got this, boys. Difference between a metal bit and a wood bit. Don't have the slightest clue. I got an idea. We should be able to grind it away with a torpedo head, sanding head, maybe. Because it just wants to spin in place and not do anything with that bit. It bit a little bit into it at first. That was it. Oh yeah, that'll get it with time. It's dwindling pretty quick. But we need all the special junk. Like a vacuum. Ugh. And I need to get comfortable. Earplugs, vacuum, and relaxed position. Boom! Got him! Feels empowering, guys. That felt very empowering. We got it! Goodness. Alright, we got the two X's on that side, and then this gets removed entirely, the front portion. Got him! Okay. Front and sides done. Tell you what, man, this canopy stuff really trivializes this job. I mean, pretty much the 4 verticals, I can just cut pipe and mount this stuff to it, no problem. And we're almost off to the races, boys.